Hi, I'm Brennan Fleisher, product manager here at Percona. Today I'd like to introduce our exciting new product called Percona Enterprise Platform. The platform's vision is to deliver a truly open source solution that won't lock you in. We want Percona Enterprise Platform to be your single pane of glass to easily manage your open source database infrastructure by deploying and operating your database environment. Why the need for Percona Enterprise Platform? Because in today's business world, the name of the game is speed. Infrastructure teams are turning to DBaaS technologies to quickly and consistently deliver database services to application developers to drive faster time to market for their software applications. Those DBaaS technologies available in the market today aren't truly open source, which has led Percona to develop our open source platform solution. User-driven input is critical to Percona's software development lifecycle process. As such, we are launching a year-long beta program for our enterprise platform technology starting late this year. The beta will consist of 4 3-month-long phases, each independent. So we'd encourage you to participate in 1, 2, 3, or even all 4 process phases. Get involved early to have your input help shape platform's future. Visit this URL for more information on both the platform and the beta program. Thank you.